Please click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Namaskar. Today's topic is Rahu. Rahu is the planet which is most important planet in our life. The reason behind is this planet is for uncertainty. This planet is for unplanned activities. Rahu is for Najar Dosh, all sorts of other problems in our life like disturbance in career, disturbance in marriage, disturbance in your business, foreign travel, foreign dharma and wavering thoughts. Your sleep, if you have challenges in your sleep, this may be because of Rahu. So the Rahu as a planet, it gives you all sorts of uncertainties, all sorts of challenges, right? Now, if we want to settle Rahu, the most common remedy for Rahu is discipline. If you are disciplined in your life, now what is the meaning of discipline here? Discipline in sleep, discipline at the time of, when you wake up. So the timing of, if you wake up near to sunrise or before sunrise, Rahu will not give you bad result, that is for sure. And whenever we are at home, we need to be more organized. More we will organize, Rahu will give us very, very good result. Now, some people may ask, this is a general remedy, everyone can follow. But still, if there are other problems in life, so how to handle, how to tackle. So if Rahu is giving you troubles in your life, let me tell you, it first will break the glass of your house or your mobile phone. You need to be very, very careful. I have seen a lot of people who are carrying their mobile with broken screen, or a screen guard is broken, or in your house there is broken glass lying there, or in your windows and doors broken glass is there. This is the first symptom. The second and very important symptom is water leakage. Whenever Rahu creates trouble in your life, it starts with leakage of water. We need to be very, very careful. There should not be leakage of water in your kitchen, in your bathrooms or toilets. This is very important. Now, see, when Rahu will give you all the negative result or will start giving you negative result, these are two important symptoms it will give. If we are experiencing such kind of problems in our house or in our mobile, the broken glass, the broken screen, there is an alert for you. You immediately take care of your Rahu. Wherever it is sitting in your chart, it is starting. There is the start point of giving negative result. So make sure all the glasses are correctly placed in your house and your mobile screens are not broken. Correct? And if there is a water leakage, for sure health related challenges, financial challenges will come in your life. Immediately get it rectified. Fix them. Try to fix it today itself. If you can do that, Rahu will not throw very bad result in your life. Now, these are standard remedies. What about specific remedies? Specific remedies will come with your chart. If your Rahu is sitting in first house, in a Varshful, remedies will be different. If it is in 5th house, 7th house, 9th house, 12th house, 3rd house, 2nd house, 11th house, wherever it is, remedies will be as per that house only, and at the time of remedy, we need to see the complete chart and then say, okay, this is the remedy we should do or we should avoid. Correct? So, thank you for viewing us. Please subscribe our channel and we will come back to you with more videos. Thank you.